Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amy back with another video. Shout out to Alipearl. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm going to be trying this beautiful Kinky Curly 18-inch reddish brown 5x5 closure. Let's get right into it. Look how pretty she is. Yes, packaging. Presentation is everything also, okay? Ooh, this is beautiful. All right, we've got your standard headband wig that says Alipearl. I have lashes, big blinks only. Big blinks. Wig cap, a cute little bag to put her in when we're not wearing her, except we're gonna be wearing her all the time. It has an adjustable band also. It's giving Little Mermaid. The new edition. That's the one we watching, the new edition. The brown one. This is definitely Kinky Curly. It's giving type 4. So a couple cool things about this unit is it is pre-plucked. It is pre-bleached and the lace is already pre-cut. I don't even need to do anything really. So everything's already done for you. Apparently it's 100% glueless. So I'm gonna get to the installation process. Alright, I'm gonna take this small little makeup brush and put some foundation on the parting space. Alright, let me style this because I look crazy. Alright, I don't want to get too wet now. I'm going to separate these curls just a little bit with my fingers. Definitely one of them trust the process type videos. I really love this Kinky Curly texture. Like, this might be my new favorite hair texture. It's the closest looking to my own natural curl pattern. I did want to quickly mention that if you spray this lace down, you'll probably get better melt, obviously, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you that you can go 100% glueless and that it is possible for you to just tint the lace a little bit with some makeup, lay your baby hairs, and you would be good to go. But it's just an option. I really like this unit. It looks really cute, very natural. I think I'm gonna comb. I think I'm just gonna shuffle through the curls a bit because I think I do like a bigger hair look. I absolutely love the way this turned out, the finishing result. I don't know why it's making me feel like scissor, but here's the back. I love the length and the body and the size. 100% glueless. There it is, guys. There it is. If I just, whoop, there it is. It's lifted. And I just put it right back down. Pat that a bit, pat the side a bit, and bam, we back in business, all right? Here is another way I styled the baby hairs to give you an example. Like I said, if you do want to copy one, which you definitely should, the link is in the description box down below, as well as the website and all the other details that you'll need. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and push the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a video. Let me know what you give this wig in the comments down below. All the information for the wig will be in the description box, so click that link, go ahead and check it out and get you one. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys for all your support. Bye. You can even send